with Patrick at Pals. This is what it's like to put a seal on a windshield. It's a two-man job. And you just hope that the windshield doesn't crack.
You hold this, flip it.
We're going to flip it over.
Let's get as much of that on.
You know, folks, there's no easy solution for this. You just have to wrestle it. You have to wrestle with it and get it done. And that's what Jim and Lester are doing. Doesn't matter whether it's an old windshield or a new windshield. Same thing. New cars are a little bit easier to put in.
Yeah, they just glue it.
But these have got a gasket. It has to be sealed. So Jim and Les are going to continue on with this, and the end result is it'll go into the windshield frame on this TR6. If you've got a TR6, bring it to Pals. See you soon.